What's the meaning of county hall? County hall. County hall.
County hall. County hall. County hall refers to a building that serves as the administrative center of a county's government. It is typically where important county-level decisions are made and where various county services are provided to the public. The term can be used to describe the actual physical building itself or the government entity that operates out of it. County halls are typically found in the United Kingdom and other countries with similar governmental structures. They can be impressive architectural landmarks and important symbols of local governance and civic pride.